And that's his job.
Yeah, we know you don't know.
That's the fact.
Yeah, we know you don't know. We know you don't know.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As part of owning a vehicle, there are things that often break. Today, we're gonna be dealing with the center, this center speaker under here. It's starting to rattle. So we're gonna jump right into it and see if we can repair this speaker. Okay, so first thing, you're gonna want to get some sort of tool to slide into the crack so you can pry out this cover. So you can see the cover's held in with some clips. Okay, so we got that out. Next up, we can see here, these look like 210s. So let's take those out. So here's the speaker. We do have a little cable behind there that we do have to release the clip. Okay, and now we got our speaker. So you can see there is definitely something loose in there. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here we have the speaker. And what I'm gonna do, you can see here that underneath this foam, when you start digging in right at the edge right here, you'll be able to feel this actual mesh. So you don't wanna peel too much of the foam off, but get to the mesh. Once you get to the mesh, just go ahead and peel that back. Okay, that's probably good enough. So now you can see that this little dust cap is what's causing the rattling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this Aleene's super tacky glue. Based off of how it fits in, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna put the glue on the edge of the inside. So there's the inside. I'm gonna put the glue right around this ring here and then reattach. Okay, so we got a nice bead on there. I'm gonna take the toothpick, remove any excess, spread that bead around. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put that dust cap back in place. Okay, so we're gonna leave that, let that sit and dry. And while we're at it, I'm just gonna go ahead and close this back up. So we got a good amount of glue on there. Spread it out a little bit. Okay, now you can see it's all glued up. We're gonna go ahead, press this back down. And we're gonna let it dry. So after everything's all dry, go ahead and plug everything back in and reverse install. Grab your cover, push it back in, and just like that, you're done. So we got that speaker all fixed, everything's back in place and ready to rock and roll. Instead of spending $130 on a brand new speaker, we were able to use some glue, that's about maybe $5, and we were able to refurbish that speaker, and it's good to go. As for this, we're done with this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.